investment. As the term stated here, we can also understand by this term, foreign investment means investment by foreigner into a domestic economy. It could be an investment by the foreign individual, or it could be an investment by a foreign institution. Clear? Institutions means group of persons, or a sort of a company or corporations. Clear? While individuals means single individual persons. Clear? So foreign investment means investment by the foreign individuals or institutions into the domestic economy. It can be in the form of investment into the shares and bonds of the domestic companies, or it can be investment in the form of purchasing assets or having ownership rights in the domestic economy, direct ownership rights in the domestic economy on the assets of domestic country. Clear? So both of these are included under foreign investment. Clear? This include, as I have told you, that it could be in two forms, either in the investment into the shares and bonds by the institution, and secondly the direct investment means when the directly ownership rights are being owned by any foreigner into the domestic economy by purchasing the assets of the economy therein. Clear? Now therefore categorizing the foreign investment based upon these categorization, the first is portfolio investments and second is FDI. Portfolio investment means investment by the foreign institutions into the shares and bonds of the domestic companies. Like for example, there is an Indian company and its shares and bonds are being purchased by the foreign institutions. Then such type of investment by the foreign institutions of the shares and bonds of the Indian company is termed as portfolio investment. Clear? Portfolio generally refers to a combination of something. Clear? Portfolio means combination of something or accumulation of something. Clear? So here why we are using the word portfolio? Because we are having shares, bonds, debentures, all these are financial securities. So whenever the investment is being done in such type of securities like shares or bonds or debentures, then combined form they are termed as portfolio investment. Clear? And this investment is being done by the institutions. This investment is being done by the foreign institutions. And if we're going to talk about the main definition of the portfolio investment, then investment by the foreign institutions into the shares and bonds of a domestic company is termed as portfolio investment. Clear? Secondly, we are having FDI, foreign direct investment. FDI or foreign direct investment means when the direct ownership rights are being purchased by the foreigners into the domestic country. Like for example, many foreign individuals or persons or the companies have their own land or own companies into India. So these lands or these stores or these buildings are being owned by foreigners now. They are not belonging to us. But earlier they were our assets, but now they are being purchased by the foreigners. So now they are owned by those foreigners. Clear? That particular investment is termed as direct investment by foreigners. So that is why it is termed as foreign direct investment, means having direct ownership rights into the domestic economy. For example, the Walmart stores in India, whatever the stores of Walmart is a very known company for the FMCG goods, fast moving consumer goods. These are like the malls we are having into our country. Walmart is a mall which provide each types of goods. Clear? So Walmart stores in India means the stores of the Walmart, they are being owned by the company of Walmart. Clear? And that Walmart is a foreign company. So that company owns its stores into our Indian economy. Clear? Into our India. So that is the foreign direct investment by Walmart in India. Clear? So the investment, foreign investment can be done in two ways. Either in portfolio investment means purchasing shares and bonds of the domestic company by foreigners, or FDI means foreign direct investment, having direct ownership rights into the domestic country by the foreign companies or individuals. Clear? Obviously, if the foreign investment is being done in India, it's a kind of receipt for us. And if we are investing into any other country, into any foreign country, then it is a kind of payment for us. Clear? So here also the foreign investment which we are receiving, it is generally have recorded to be on the credit side because it is a receipt for us. And if we are investing into any other country, because it will be recorded on the debit side of BOP. Clear? So this is the second component of capital account, foreign investment. It includes two types of investment, portfolio investment and FDI, foreign direct investment.